up, guys? It is Dan, Vivid Racing, and today we are going to show you this awesome Porsche Macan GTS featuring the one and only Armytrix Valvetronic exhaust. Press the button on the remote, open up the valves and make this thing sound super awesome, or close the valves for a nice smooth ride. So we're going to check out, see how this thing sounds and how it performs. So let's take a look. All right, here it is. This is the 2017 Porsche Macan GTS. Comes with a 3.0 liter twin turbocharged engine that makes about 370 horsepower. Now, I've got to say, this is the wife's ride, and this thing is everything a Porsche should be. It is capable of hauling kids. It is capable of road trips, but more important, it is capable of kicking ass. This thing handles like a Porsche, stops like a Porsche, and sounds like one too. You can see we got the Vorsteiner wheels on here. It has been lowered with some lowering links. It's got our VR-tuned ECU flash, and it's got the Armytrix exhaust. And we're gonna show you how that thing fires up and makes everything that much cooler. All right, we are in the cockpit here, and we are gonna start this up. The Valvetronic exhaust system always opens up with a nice rumble, so let's start this thing. All right, you can see here we've got the remote here, on, off, and auto. This is their first generation remote. They have a new one. This exhaust was installed a little bit ago, so we're just now doing the review on it. But it is a very easy install. Now, this is linked to a OBD2 plug that's under the dash here. And what that does is when you press the on and off, that opens and closes the valves. Right now the valves are shut. That means that most of the exhaust gas is restricted from coming out, so it makes them for a very comfortable cruising speed sound. Though with this engine, when the valves are open, it sounds awesome. So let's hear what it sounds like with the valves closed. I don't even know what to relate it to. It's just very simple. It doesn't sound anything. I'm not like yay, nay, just kind of give a little eye wink. And that's about 4,500 RPMs. Now we will open by pressing the on. You can also do this via an app. They have an app that works Bluetooth where you can also read boost, OBD2, Lambda, AFR, different sensors that the OBD2 reads when you download the Armytrix app. So let's go ahead and open it up. And this is when this thing sounds really, really bad A. Pretty much every time you want to get in the Macan, you're doing sport mode, valves open. Sport mode changes it just a little bit and gives it that nice crackle, little pops and bangs au naturel. So let's keep those valves open and do some runs so we can hear what it sounds like. All right, that's it. Hope you enjoyed our video of all the awesome Armytrix on this Porsche Macan. You can check out all the different Armytrix exhausts we have available. We are Armytrix North America, so you can go to armytrixusa.com. Of course, you can go to vividracing.com and see the different exhausts. Everything from your typical BMW, Audi, supercars, McLaren, Lamborghini, Ferrari, Porsche, and more. So hope you enjoy it. Make sure to subscribe, and we will see you at the next one.